BitPay Wallet Card App. The pros, the cons. The BitPay Wallet Card app combines cryptocurrency management with everyday spending. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for Bitcoin, but the surprising truth is that the app supports multiple coins and stablecoins, allowing seamless spending and top-ups in a single interface. On the pros side, the app provides instant crypto to fiat conversion for purchases, easy balance management, and spending alerts. Users can load funds from multiple wallets, track transactions, and set budgets. Security is robust, with private key encryption, two-factor authentication, and PIN protection for the card. It also works anywhere MasterCard is accepted. On the cons side, rewards are limited compared to other crypto cards, and some transaction fees apply, including ATM withdrawals and foreign exchange. Beginners may need time to understand the crypto to fiat conversion process. In conclusion, the BitPay Wallet Card app is ideal for users who want to spend crypto like cash while maintaining control over multiple digital assets. While fees and limited rewards should be considered, it provides a convenient and secure bridge between crypto holdings and everyday payments.